Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to import an image into Canva. Let's get started. It's very easy to do. On the main dashboard, let's say we want to click on Create a Design, and I'm going to choose YouTube Thumbnail. Keep in mind, you can choose any design you like. I'm just using this as an example. From here, go to Uploads and then click on the Upload Files button. What I'm going to do is find the image I want, double-click it, and then continue from there. Here's the image loading up. You'll see it starting to load, and it's almost done. Once it's ready, I can click on it, and just like that, it's added. I can resize it, make it bigger or smaller, center it, or adjust it however I want. But that's going to be a quick video on importing or uploading an image, depending on how you want to put it. It's a very quick and easy tutorial, but you'll want to make sure you know how to do this because Canva is a great tool for working with images. I imagine you'll want to use some of your own to create amazing designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.